Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to merge multiple PDF documents in SwifDoo, an all-in-one PDF document editor that you can try for free. So I'm logged into my SwifDoo account. This is the main dashboard area. Click on PDF Merge, and you'll see this dialog box. You can drag and drop your PDF files here, or click this area, and that's what I'll do. I'll navigate to my folder. I'll select the 3 PDF documents using the Shift key on my keyboard, and I'll click Open. The files are imported into SwifDoo. You can rearrange the order of the files by dragging and dropping them if you wish. I'll leave them as is. I'll rename the file in this box like so. You can also choose a specific folder, and finally click the Start button. It will start the merging of the PDF files, and you'll get a confirmation once it's completed. You can then click on Open Directory to go to the folder, and here's the merged PDF file, but that's pretty much it. You can try SwifDoo for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.